I want to show you how to reduce the file size of your large video files. So basically what you do is you download this program. It's called HandBrake. You hit open source. You go to the file that you want to reduce the size of. Like for example, this one right here, 2.61 gigabytes. You hit that, open. It scans it into the program, and then based on whatever you recorded the video at, you hit the settings for that, and then make sure you hit web optimize. And then once you hit encode, it finishes, and then your end result is this right here. It gets reduced to 342 megabytes. So before it was 2.6 gigabytes, and now it's 342 megabytes. The same with the rest of my files. A lot of these were all over a gigabyte, and as you can see, the file size has been heavily reduced. So this is a pretty cool program if you upload a lot of videos. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.